So we're in the middle of number 6 in notes number 1 on chapter 12. And we had already recognized that that was also 60 because of these slash marks. And then when you look at it, the slash marks tell you that the opposite angles are congruent. So that means that these guys would also be the same. So we'll name them X, and then we can add all 4 angles and measure them out to be 360. So angle A would be 60. Angle B would be 60. Angle C is X. Angle D is also X. And they total up to 360 degrees because the interior angles of a quadrilateral always add up to 360 degrees. So let's draw our side separator, and we'll combine our X's and get 2X, and then we'll combine our constants and get plus 120 equals 360. Subtract 120 from each side, and we'll find out that 2x equals 240, and divide by 2, and we'll find out that x is 120 degrees. So it says to find the measure of each angle. Well, I think we just did, because the measure of angle A is given 60. The measure of angle B is also 60. The measure of angle C and D are the same, and C and D are both x, so C and D are both 122 degrees. And then one final example, number 7. I see some slash marks in a bunch of different directions. That means that the opposite angles are going to be congruent. So if x plus 8 is down here, then x plus 8 will also be up there. And if 2x minus 20 is down there, then 2x minus 20 will also be up above. So let's go ahead and start our equation. We got angle A is 2x minus 20, plus angle B, which is x plus 8, plus angle C, which is 2x minus 20. This is going to get crowded. Plus angle C, which is x plus 8, adds up to 360. And I will clean up that crookedness as I combine my likes. I've got a 2x and an x and a 2x and an x for a total of 6x. Then I have a minus 20, that's a negative 20, a positive 8, another negative 20, and another positive 8, which combines to, let's see, negative 40 plus 16 is negative 24. And that will equal out to 360. And I'll add 24 to both sides. And I'll get 6x equals 384 divided by 6. And I'll find out that x equals 384 divided by 6, which is 64. Okay, now it's asking for each angle. So if I'm going to come over here, I'll do measure of angle A is 2x minus 20. That's 2 times 64 minus 20. So that's 108 degrees. And then I've got measure of angle C is also 108 degrees. And then I can go measure of angle B is x plus 8, which is 64 plus 8, which is 72. And then I can also say that the measure of angle D is 72 as well. And then to check my work, I could take all 4 of my answers, 108 plus 108, plus that 72 under there, plus that 72, and make sure that they add up to 360.